Hi everyone, my name is Pamela from the STBB Illovo branch. This is my colleague Gretchen from the STBB Bedford View branch. Welcome to our platform, Gretchen and Pam on property. This is the platform where we'll be engaging all things property. We'll be talking all things property. We look forward to you engaging with us on all things property. And yeah, we look forward to engaging with you. Hi Gretchen.
Hi, Pam. Yes, so today we are going to be talking about private sale agreements. And by a private sale, we mean that you did not elicit the services of an estate agent.
I see. So, Gretchen, is what you mean is that it's where you have a seller and a buyer that are engaging through in a transaction where the effective cause of that transaction was not through an estate agent.
Agreed. So basically, an example will be where you as a landlord sell your property to your tenant. In this particular example, I think one has also got to be very careful because it may happen that an estate agent had helped you to find this tenant. And then the estate agency's lease agreement will read that the estate agent is the effective cause should you, as the landlord, sell the property to the tenant. So one has got to be careful in this scenario, but I'd also like to use another example, and that would be if you sell your property to your friend and there was no, I'd say, direct or indirect marketing involved by an estate agent. So basically, if you've established that you do have a private sale, Pam, what would you say is the next step?
Look, the next step to that is that you need a written sale agreement. It's important to note that all sale agreements must be in written form, especially when you're talking about immovable property. This is according to the Alienation of Land Act. Should your contract or your sale agreement not be in written form, please advise and know that it's void. And in basic terms, that means that you have an invalid agreement on your hands. And so, once you've established that you need a sale agreement and it should be in written form, the next question to ask is then where does one find a well-written, concise sale agreement?
Yes, Pamela, and I think, this is so true for a lot of people, and I think you and I are also guilty. If we're looking for answers, we always run to Google. And it's the last place where you should be looking for a sale agreement template.
No, without a doubt, and this is where then we say to you that should you need to a well-drafted sale agreement, I always say that if you have that in your hands, you have a magic situation, and you'd agree in practice also, Gretchen, that a well-drafted sale agreement speaks to an amazing, smooth transfer process.
Agreed, and for happy clients at the end of the day.
Most certainly.
So you'll see that a lot of these examples floating around on the internet, they don't cater for everything that a sale agreement should provide for.
Right.
A sale agreement should be clear. There should be no reason for doubt. It must be very specific. So if your deposits are due, they must be due by a certain date. If the bond is due, then that bond due date must be specified. And, if your property is perhaps in a certain part of the country, then you as a seller might need to acquire certain compliance certificates. So it's very important that your sale agreement provides for everything at the end of the day. And this is where myself and Pamela, we come to your rescue.
Most certainly. And if you need any assistance with any help with drafting a sale agreement, with making sure that it's concise, it's well written, it speaks to what Gretchen was talking about, milestones, due dates, suspensive conditions, all those type of things. We're here to assist. Reach out to us. Let's chat. Let's assist you. Most definitely.
I think we must also mention, Pamela, for the general public out there, they don't always sell property on a day-to-day basis. You and I, we deal with property daily. And that's why we understand that this can be a very daunting process. So if you just need to speak to someone and ask for guidance, for practical tips and tools on how to structure your deal the best way, then definitely, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here at the end of the day to help you, and we'd love to partner with you on this journey with your sale agreement and in the transfer process.
Most definitely. So thank you for joining us on Gretchen and Pam on property. We look forward to engaging you further. And you can email us, you can send us your questions on the platform. And we look forward to being your partners in this journey of All Talks Property.
Thank you, and until next time.